afternoon through early Friday morning behind a strong cold front. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Strong low pressure will travel through the Ohio Valley today through Thursday, bringing widespread showers. Colder temperatures and strong winds will follow the storm system Thursday night. Dry and chilly weather is forecast for Friday and Saturday under high pressure. Here is the official national weather. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIH-42 Covington, Kentucky, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton, Highland, and Warren. In Kentucky: Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Mason, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson. And finally, in Indiana: Dearborn, Fayette, Franklin, Ohio, Ripley, Switzerland, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIH-42 Covington, Kentucky. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast. Today, a slight chance of showers late this morning, then showers likely this afternoon.